Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears without corn syrup. First, gather your ingredients: unflavored gelatin, your favorite fruit juice, and a sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Next, you'll want to bloom the gelatin. Sprinkle it over a small amount of cold liquid, like a quarter cup of juice, and let it sit for about 5 minutes. This softens the gelatin, preparing it for the next steps. Now, let's get that flavor just right. Gently heat the remaining fruit juice in a saucepan over low heat. Stir in your chosen sweetener, whether it's honey, maple syrup, or another alternative. Make sure the mixture is warm enough to fully dissolve the sweetener, but avoid bringing it to a boil. You can also add a few drops of flavor extract or natural food coloring here for extra pizzazz. With your bloomed gelatin ready, add it to the warm juice and sweetener mixture. Stir continuously until the gelatin is completely dissolved and the liquid is smooth. Work quickly, as the mixture will start to set as it cools. Carefully pour the warm liquid into your gummy molds. For smaller molds, a dropper can be incredibly helpful to ensure precise filling and minimize any mess. Once your molds are filled, transfer them to the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 30 minutes or until they are firm and easily pop out of the molds. Store your delicious homemade gummy bears in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 7 days. They make a fantastic treat. Also, for an amazing upgrade to your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.